Hello fellas, hope you all doing good. Recently I bought this table from Amazon. So let's unbox and review it. It came in this type of corrugated box. I already opened it for checking. It was laminated with plastic cover. This table was well packed to avoid any damage. As you can see, it has beautiful wooden finishing. Upon examining carefully, I found its front edge little damaged. But since the damage wasn't major or affecting its body or strength, I ignored it. On the top front side, it has a slit to hold mobile, tab and pen. On the right side, it has a cup holder. This table don't have much wobble and stands firmly. On the back side, you can see it has a soft rubber padding on the stands. It will provide good grip when using it on the floor. Stands are made up of metal and well fitted on the body. Few other tables I checked on Amazon had long screw here along with nut. I like this one. Here its screw is not bulging out. This was one of the reasons for ordering it from Ofixo. Overall table's build quality is quite good. It has good finishing along with texture. Its top surface is 60 by 40 cm and height is 27 cm. You can use it for studying, for online classes, for working etc. This table costed me 498 rupees. There are more cheaper options available on Amazon, but some of them had bad reviews, so I avoided them. Cheaper doesn't always means you get the best. I consider this product as value for money. Do let me know what you think. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.